Hey everyone, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the Trade Desk. This is ticker TTD. Haven't looked at this stock for a while, and I actually see a lot of positive things about this pattern right now. So just short term, I like the fact that it's in consolidation and in and around the 8-day exponential period moving average. Longer term, we can see this big long cup that it's been building since July of 2023. So we got this massive cup pattern that it's actually been respecting pretty well. Just recently, we had a break to a new high for the year. And if I bring out this line here, we can actually see that this level was resistance back here in 2023. Couldn't get above it in 2024. We broke above, and then just a couple of days ago, back tested that level and held above. So I like the fact that this is holding above some clear resistance. What once was resistance, ideally, is now acting as support. And so now that we've established short-term support, I want to look at short-term resistance, and I can see this clear downward sloping trend line right there that looks pretty tight. And so we can see some clear lower highs, but we're also getting, and I'll get rid of this line, we're also getting some clear higher lows. So it's pinching, it's pinching, it's pinching, and now we just want to see what direction the stock is going to go. So for a bullish trade, I would have an alert on this stock right around this 95.96 area, and then look for that strong close above $96, and then ideally look for that volume to come in. So that's what I'm going to do here on my software. Going to set an alert for just under $96 and look for a bullish move out of this triangle on volume. So that's just one of many stocks that we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're new to trading, you should definitely take a trial. Dan Fitzpatrick has a full library of trading tutorials for you to get your feet wet and actually learn technical analysis the right way. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll catch you next time.